What's up, guys? This is episode 21 of Through the Mail Autographs. We have, I don't know, I think 8 today. Well, 9 if you count this one. I got my Paul Hornung back. Obviously, he died. I sent to him probably about a week before he passed away. So I was hoping maybe he might have got to it. You never know. But, should be... I was going to send him a photo I took, have him sign it, but it didn't work out in the cards. Then I had to put a card in there too, just in case. So rest in peace. I actually got to meet Paul a few times. He was a really nice guy. We did a signing with him a couple different times, and he's hilarious. Or he was hilarious, I should say. Anyway, let's go on to our returns here. 5 for 5 in 9 days. 1982 Topps, Rick Manning. 1984 Topps, there you go, for the sets. And what else do we have? An 81 Topps. An 80 Topps, and an 81 Fleer. I'm going to have to go with this 84 card. Well, that's kind of funny. My first game ever was 1982 in Milwaukee, playing the Indians. And he played for both teams. He was on the Indians when I saw him. And he went on to the Brewers. I never even stopped to think about that. It's kind of ironic. 5 for 5 in 9 days. There we go, David Need. He was a huge prospect back in the day. There's what, I don't know, 94 Stadium Club, 95, I don't know. There's a 93 Stadium Club, I believe. I think it's a 93 Upper Deck. Maybe 94, I can't remember. Normally I don't send duplicates, but this is all I had on him, and I went ahead and just got rid of them. That way I didn't have to send to him twice. And this gives me some trade bait. Like trade for some of the 84s, or, well, pretty much anything, because I'm working on all the sets, so... Let's see which one do I like the best. Probably the Stadium Club right here. 6 for 6 in 9 days. Ed Tabanesi. It's a 92 Upper Deck. 94 Stadium Club maybe. 94 Donruss, 2002 Topps, 92 Donruss, and a 92 Topps. Didn't have any of them scream out at me except for this one. We're going to go with the Donruss right there. All right, we got 6 for 5. And 9 days. What do we got here? Oh, this is cool. He sent this card. And put stay safe and be well. And it's Jim Whalewander. 88 Topps and 89 Topps. There's a cool... can't remember what these things were called. Skybox or Pro Cards or something. There's the 88 Topps, another 89 Topps. There again, we don't like send multiples, but I figured out, you know, I didn't know how many other cards he had, so I just wanted to get rid of what I had. This is all I had of them. Is that the one? No, we're going to go with the one that he sent us. I like that. That's kind of cool. That's probably a drawing that was sent to him or something. All right, 5 of 5 in 9 days. You seeing the trend here? We had a lot of stuff in 9 days. Charlie Pulio. Not sure how to say his name. 83 donors. I love this card. This is nice. 84 tops. And 89 donors. Another 84 tops. Another 83 tops. We're going to go with that 84 tops right there, man. That just really pops out. I like the autographs that just pop up off the card. All right, we got 6 of 6 in 17 days. Very seldom do I ever get the index card signed, which doesn't really matter because I just put it in there for packing. So, Chris Carpenter, 90 donors, 89 tops, 93 Stadium Club, maybe a 94, 95, I don't know. I think it's 94. There's a 92 Upper Deck. 91 Fleer. Let's see what the best one is. We'll have to make Brandon proud, and we'll pick the 90 Donruss. I believe that's a set he's working on, Brandon Stebbins. Here's the last one. 4 for 4 in 17 days. And it is David Green, 85 Fleer. See, this is more in my ear. I know these cards really well. 84 tops, 83 Donruss, and an 84 tops. I think I'm about to go with this 85 Fleer, and now I'm going to have to find an 85 Fleer set because that thing looks pretty awesome. All right, I'm going to show you guys something else right after this. But here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 returns today. We want to thank Mr. Manning, Need, Tabansi, Wallawander, Pulio. I have a hard time pronouncing his name. Carpenter and Mr. Green for signing autographs for us. And comment which one you guys like the best. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that fun stuff. And now I'm going to show you, this is something, I used to be a sports marketing agent. I used to represent some players, and I used to bring players into, like, you know, baseball card shows and different things like that, different signings and stuff. This is a little thing that I found in my basement. It was in a bin that's been in my basement for 10 years. I forgot all about it. Didn't even know I had these. But these are from signings that I've had over the years. So I thought it'd be cool to look through them here. Now, Jeff Hostetler, WVU card. I had a signing with him. He charges $15 a card in the mail now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 of those now. And then Quincy Wilson was one of their WVU's better running backs in 2004. He played for the Bengals for a little bit. And we got 1, 2, got 3 of those. We got 2 of those. And 1, 2, 3. We got 4 of those. Then we had Rasheed Marshall. He played for the 49ers, and he also played for WVU. He was our quarterback. 2005 Big East Player of the Year. This is a card I got signed in person at a card show, I think. There's Tim Fox, Ohio State. We had a signing with Jim Houston. He's deceased now, but he was a really nice guy. We got 3 of those. We had a signing with John Hicks at one of the home games up at Ohio State. He's deceased now, too. But yeah, this is always nice to find, you know, just sitting there you didn't even know you had. Nice Jim Stillwagon Ohio State card. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, I have not seen these things in, I don't know, over 10 years, I would say. Because I closed my shop down in 2007, I think. So, yeah, it's been a while since I've seen these things. But, hey guys, thanks for coming out here and watching this stuff. I enjoy watching your videos. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that fun stuff. See ya. Peace.